Hello, my name is Eric Loy, and I serve as Project Coordinator for the William Blake Archive at the University of Rochester. Today, I'd like to show you how to find and use transcriptions in the archive. Like most scholarly editing projects, we've developed a system of editorial notation, a color code, in our case, to explain Blake's inscriptions. You can use the transcription feature with any work in the archive containing text, but our editorial markup is especially useful for making sense of Blake's more complicated and heavily revised manuscripts. Let's look at one now. Blake's unfinished and unpublished satire, An Island in the Moon. As you can see, the manuscript is pretty difficult to read just using the digital facsimile. The manuscript has also been heavily edited by Blake. To access our transcriptions of the work, you have two options. First, you can click the Diplomatic Transcription button in the toolbar below the facsimile image. Alternatively, you can click on the eye icon in the left corner of the window to slide out a tray of critical apparatus. In this tray, you can also access illustration descriptions and editorial notes, but we'll explain those in another video. Returning to the first option, you'll notice that the transcription features color-coded sections indicating editorial markup. For the color code key, scroll to the bottom of the transcription and click the link. Here, you will find an explanation of each color and symbol and their various combinations. For example, any text in blue indicates an addition made by Blake. A gray bar with a red line through it indicates a deliberate deletion made by Blake in which we, as editors, cannot read the text that has been deleted. Text highlighted in yellow indicates substitutions, some combination of edits that were apparently made as part of a single act of writing. For example, in Object 3 here, on lines 30 and 31, Blake originally wrote obtuse angle answered, canceled it with a strike-through, and inserted hey, how should I know? Answered obtuse angle. The lines are highlighted in yellow to signal that they are part of the same act of composition. For notes on the text, return to the slide-out tray. Here, you'll find information on the text and our transcriptions, especially as they compare or differ to standard editions of Blake's works, like those by Bentley or Erdman. I hope that explanation of our transcriptions and color code was useful. We'll be back soon with more tutorial videos on all the features of the Blake Archive. Please check out our blog and Twitter for more info and for publication announcements.